Today I'm brutal with you. Only 6 seconds and recruiter already skip your resume. No matter how hard you work, no matter how many projects you build. Because your identity is scattered everywhere, your project is scattered everywhere. In this video, I will give you a two ultimate solution to solve this problem and increase the probability of job and two step ahead from your competition. First thing is the LinkedIn, and your LinkedIn is lying about you. Let me explain. Open your LinkedIn profile. Now read your own headline. Does it say something like Python, web development, ML, DSA, Rust, open to work? Yeah, that's a problem. Everyone think listing everything makes you talented. It doesn't. When recruiter sees that, their brain immediately think this person doesn't know what they want and they move on. The solution is simple. Don't try to do everything at once. Choose one or two tech stacks, focus on them, and post about them consistently on LinkedIn. This way, recruiter instantly understand what you actually specialize in. The second solution is simple. Fix your scattered identity. First, look at this. This is my Ding card, and right here, all my work is visible in one place. My LinkedIn, my YouTube, my GitHub, my project, everything. Now imagine this. Instead of sending a recruiter 6 different links, I just send this one card, and in one place they can see everything about me. No switching tab, no searching, no confusion, everything in 6 seconds. Now let me show you how you can create this. Go to link in the description, open the website and sign up. And don't forget to use my invite code CB9 for the welcome bonus. Once sign up is completed, you redirected to the home page, and here click on the claim your Ding card. Now upload your resume. It automatically extract your skill, experience and detail. You don't need to manually type everything. Then click continue. Here you can add the website you want to connect, your GitHub, your LinkedIn, your profile, any platform you want. And just like that, your own Ding card is ready. Now look at this section. From here you can manage everything. All your social link, all your project. You can edit them, customize them, control what you want to show. And the best part, with just one click, you can share this card link with a recruiter. They don't need to open 6 different tabs. In 6 seconds, they understand. Recruiter understand who you are. And there is a one more amazing feature. Whenever you update something on your GitHub, LinkedIn, any connected social platform, it's automatically updates here as well. So your profile always stay up to date without manual changing everything. Pretty amazing, right? Now let me show you another powerful feature, the Discover section. This is a honestly amazing feature. You can search for a real engineer, researcher or companies, etc. For example, let me type AI engineer and instantly it's pull the real people working in AI. Not random resume, not just a job title. Real profile, real LinkedIn links, real contact information, and you can analyze them here as well. You can directly see their works and connect them. This makes networking much easier. This tool definitely increases your visibility in front of recruiters. And in today's world, visibility creates opportunity. So if you want to fix your scattered identity, use one powerful link instead of sending 6 different links to the recruiters. The tool link is in the description and my invite code is there as well, which gives you a welcome bonus. Go check it out and start increasing your visibility in front of recruiters.